Have you ever thought of a device that can charge any of your devices in an emergency situation? And how amazing will it be if you can make a do-it-yourself emergency power bank of the size of the tip of your thumb? Well, in this video, I will make a tiny power bank out of an old power bank boost converter circuit. To do this project, first, you will need a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. In my case, I am using a 500 mAh lithium polymer battery. But a lithium-ion battery also works fine with this circuit. The battery must be a 3.7 volt battery. You can use a battery with any ampere value as your choice. The more ampere you use, the longer it will be able to work on a single charge. Then you will need a boost converter circuit. I am using one from an old power bank. If you can't find one, you can purchase one for a very cheap price online. Lastly, you will need an old USB cable which has a micro USB port in it. To make the circuit, first you will need to remove the USB female port from the boost converter in order to solder the micro USB output in that place. I am using my hot air gun to do this, but you can also use a soldering iron to do this task. Then you can cut off the wires of the USB port in order to solder new wires. After that, you have to solder the USB port to the boost converter circuit. Make sure to connect the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative correctly when soldering the wires to the circuit. Then, desolder the wires of the battery and solder the pins of it to the charger circuit. The circuit is now done. And to make things stronger, I glued the battery to the boost converter circuit and applied some more hot glue around the USB port to secure things in place. If you want it to look better in appearance, you can design a casing or a cover as you wish, and you are done with the device.
Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please